how to turn on or turn off SmartThings suggestion notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. So click on connected devices. Now here, so scroll down and click on smart things. So after click on smart things, click on menu. So after click on menu, click on settings icon. So after click on settings icon, so now here showing you suggestion notification. So for example, this is suggestion notification. So if you want to turn off suggestion notification, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see suggestion notification is turn off. So if you want to turn on suggestion notification, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see suggestion notification is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off suggestion notifications from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off SmartThings suggestion notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.